There's going to be a lot of good takes here, okay?
Yeah.
We're here to have fun. Hey, the backpack's bigger than the kid. Hi, how are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Amir.
Amir.
Give me some knuckles. Give me some knuckles like that. Give me some knuckles. Ouch!
Let me see. Wow, look it. I want some of those.
Okay, ready.
Oh. Yeah, the back. So I move for the.
Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Go.
I'm laughing because I'm totally breaking it. Let's buy them some new bikes. Christian broke the bike. Christian broke the bike. Principal, Christian broke the bike. I want to make sure that when you come to school, you're safe. And I want to make sure that we have all the best resources for you guys to get a great quality education.
Gracias, Dr. B.
Es un placer estar aquí. Gracias a ustedes por ser estudiantes excepcionales.